Hey mobile gamer out there, do you plan to change your smartphone to the latest ASUS ROG 6 series with a starting price of 3,599 ringgit? This ROG 6 Pro sports a 6.78-inch HDR10 Plus AMOLED display that supports a 165Hz refresh rate and 720Hz touch sampling rate. As for the back, there is a ROG Vision Color PMOLED display. This device also features a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, up to 18GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage. For the cameras, it has a 12MP selfie snapper and a triple rear camera with 50MP main camera, 30MP ultra-wide lens and macro lens. Speaking of gaming, there are plenty of sensor and test specs that will enhance your gaming experience, such as the Air Trigger 6 Aero Active Cooler 6, a side-mounted port, Game Cool 6 cooling system, and dual front stereo speakers. On top of that, it is powered by a dual 3000mAh battery that supports a 65W fast charge, so it can be fully charged in 42 minutes. It is also rated IPX4 splash resistant, so maybe you can try to play your mobile games when you shower. As for the pricing, I will state it in the description box below, so you may check it out later as there are plenty of models for you to choose from. Well, are you going to get this sexy beast? Don't forget to let us know in the comments below, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah and peace out, bye!